Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Apple! All birthdays to come, good health. Sana manatili kang magandang pagkikabukasan ng iyong pamilya. Ay, kinayan. Happy birthday ulit.
Okay. Birthday, Apple! Maligaya at arawan sa inyo. Ilan taon ka na ba? 41? Alusugan. Sa mga bata. Sa lahat. Sa mga sana ay magpapatuloy na more birthdays to come. Wishes ko, magkaroon ka ng magandang kalusok, magandang buhay, karispo at saka maayos na kalusok.
Hello, Tia Apple. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And wish ko lang sa'yo, sana laging healthy and huwag laging papay-stress. Again, happy birthday ulit. Kita-kits na lang tayo pag umuwi ulit ako. Bye-bye.
Go!
Happy birthday, Tita Apple!
Happy birthday, Marina Sanchez! May God add many more years of happiness and good health to your life. So enjoy your day and God bless you. Again, happy birthday.
Yun! Maligayang karawan sa'yo, Tia Apple. At sabi nga nila, life starts at 40. Good luck sa panibagong journey mo, taon mo. At wala naman ang ibang hiling kundi ang kasiyahan ng inyong pamilya. Happy birthday!
Hello, Ate Apple. Hahabaan ko yung bati ko sa'yo, ah. Happy birthday, Ate Apple.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Joke lang. Joke lang. Good health para sa buong pamilya niyo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Apple. Everybody loves you.
Happy birthday, Apple. Happy 40th birthday. And wishing you health, love, happiness, and all your wishes come true this year. Happy birthday again!
Hi, Apple. Smile. Happy 40th birthday. Wishing you all the best and a lovely day for all the family. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Teacher Apple! Very good.
Hello, hi Apple. Happy birthday. So, wish namin sa'yo good health lagi sa family mo, lalong-lalo ng mga bata, and sa career. Pasensya na, hindi kami nakapunta kasi may big event, tournament ang mga bata.
Hello, Apple.
Teacher Marie, God bless!
Happy birthday, T. Marie. God bless.
So nasa meeting po kami ngayon. Nais ko lang batiin ng happy birthday si Ma'am Marie Sanchez Aferrado. Tama ba yung apelido? So happy birthday kung ilang taon ka man. God bless you and more birthdays ko. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo matupad.
Happy birthday, Tita Apple! Happy birthday, Tita Apple! Happy Happy birthday, Tita Apple. We love you.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday, T. Wish ko sana may pang-5 baby.
Describe Ma'am Marie in one word.
Sweet. Funny.
Loving. Caring. Wow, perfect. Wala kami masasabing masaba kay Ma'am Marie.
Bukod sa ano?
Bukod sa tsaka ano?
1, 2, 3.
Si Ma'am Marie. Araw-gabi, walang
panty.
message na.
Naririnig ko pala tayo sa mga.
3, 2, 1, go. Happy 50th birthday, Ma'am Marie. We love you. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy 40th birthday, Ma'am Marie. We love you.
Yes. Happy birthday, happy birthday po sa'yo. And I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you sa pagiging anak ko for 2 years. 2 years ba or 3 years? Nalungkot ako nung bigla mo akong iniwan. But alam mo na mas lamang yung happiness ko para sa'yo. Dahil alam ko naman na pangarap mo yan. And of course, sabi mo nga, marami ka pang gustong ibigay. Especially sa magulang mo. I'm praying for that na lahat ng goal mo ay matupad. Unti-unti, hindi man agad-agad. Remember na ano man yung problema, ano man yung kalungkutan na minsan nararamdaman mo, pagkatiwala mo lang sa Diyos lahat. Gaano man kabigat, hindi man natin kaya, pero with God, kakayanin natin yan. And He is our everything, our best friend. Kaya kay Lord lang talaga tayo dapat lumapit. I'm praying for good health and of course, good people to surround you every day para happy vibes lang, teacher. Again, happy birthday and I love you, Teacher Marie.
Hi, Apple! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Wish namin sa'yo, sana lahat ng wish mo matupad and more babies to come!
Tagay na!
Nay, happy birthday. Tapos yung wish ko sa iyo ay maging healthy ka pa sa future. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Wish ko sa'yo, masaya ang ugali mo, masaya ang pamilya. Good health. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Pugi ko. Happy birthday, ate. Love you. Yun. 40 years old ka na. So, sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Wish ko yun sa'yo na matupad mo yung pangarap mo kay Rayo, sa mga bata, kila mama, sa sarili mo. Yun. Mag-ingat ka lagi. Tanda mo, love na love kita. Okay? I love you, ate. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Nanay Apple. I just wanted to say thank you so much for your love, patience, and care for us. I'm really grateful to have you.